English together.
Conversation 1. What do you have in your shopping basket?
I have cookies and chips. I usually eat snacks after work.
That is not healthy. Do you often eat dessert?
Yes, I always eat a big dessert after dinner. I often eat cake.
I never eat junk food. I usually eat fruit. Apples are very good for you.
Sometimes I eat an apple. However, a chocolate cookie is much better.
Conversation 2. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal and drink coffee. Sometimes I eat toast with eggs.
That sounds good. Do you often eat fast food?
No, I never eat fast food. I usually cook at home.
That's healthy. I sometimes eat hamburgers, but I never drink soda.
That's a good habit. We should always try to eat healthy food.
Conversation 3.
I'm so sorry. I'm late.
That is okay. Do you usually take the train to work?
Yes, I usually take the train, but I sometimes ride my bicycle.
I never take the train. I always walk to the coffee shop.
You are lucky. The train is always very crowded and noisy.
Well, you are here now. I usually order hot tea. What do you want?
I always drink black coffee in the morning.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.